Santa Claus came.
Santa Claus came. Look what Santa
Look over
brought.
here.
Look what Santa brought. Look what Santa brought.
Santa Claus
He
came.
threw his blanket off. You see him?
Oh my God.
Hey!
Right there. Did somebody get a picture of that?
Oh
I
yeah.
got video right now. I'm doing video.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Put your leg in.
Put your legs in. Push the button, Deborah. Dominic. Turn the wheel. Turn the steering wheel. Turn it. You gotta turn it so you can turn.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
What?
Okay, and we get to open all the presents today.
Come on, drive over to your present.
Drive to the
Turn the
presents.
steering wheel, grandson. Turn it. Turn it.
Wait, Mommy gonna do it. Watch out so I don't hit you in the head. We need to get a bag to put the trash in.
Yeah, otherwise we're going to lose all their
I don't even know
toys.
how to teach them.
Just get one of them boxes, the car
You
boxes.
guys learn how to do
That's
that
what
from
I
Mommy, okay?
They think it's so funny with the light bulb, those balls that light up.
Tool? What is it?
It's a big boy toy!
Look
Gosh,
at
you
your
have
tool.
tools! Look at the tools! Yeah, open that.
It's all the tools.
All the tools!
Are you going to show Grandma?
I'll help you.
They play with Granddad's tools all the time outside. They use the electric screwdriver.
Oh, look at this.
Go take yours over.
Can we just open up all of these
No.
and open those?
No, they got to absorb every one of them.
No, they need to open all
No,
of
they
these
don't.
and then they can go crazy. You're going to sit here.
Separate that, babe.
Oh,
Bring them over one at a time then.
You guys got a tool set? Look at, isn't this great? I'll open them. Open them.
You guys go open more toys.
I'm
Come on.
recording.
We're not opening them yet. I'm sitting here.
They play with their one opener there.
We're not opening their toys.
What Granddad bought for himself.
Yeah. That's for us, huh, guys? Look at Granddad.
They don't care about that.
Old Spice every year.
Old Spice!
Yeah,
Yay!
make it smell good, huh, guys?
No, it's good.
There it is.
Not yet,
That
not
was
yet.
new.
We'll get it later.
What is it? Let's see.
Get it open, Dominic.
This one is from Daddy.
We're going.
Daddy got you this.
Open it, open it. Tear it open, Dominic.
There's lots of ribbon. Do you need help? Flip it open.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Good job.
Look right there. Look right there. What is it? What is it? Hey. What is it?
Oh, wow. What up?
And look.
And they roll too.
Oh my God.
And they're back. So they don't have to have diaper bags anymore. They just have their own separate ones. Okay, now we know whose is whose.
Take it to Gma. Take it to Gma.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Who's got which one? So you know.
Cars.
Oh, look at that.
Darian has cars.
Wonderful.
Dominic has.
Look.